you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good. Feel it rising up, then I push it down, saying you're in love, I could go without. Let me get...
Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. So today I've got something special for you guys. Today I'm driving the 2013 Hyundai i20 1.2 liter petrol Magna optional model. This ain't your ordinary i20. This has got quite a good amount of mods, so buckle up because this is a ride you don't want to miss. From its stock appearance, it has undergone a metamorphosis into something truly extraordinary. Let's go for it. First up, let's talk about the heartbeat of this beast, the modified exhaust. It's not just a sound, it's a symphony of power that will make your heart race. It has got a full system exhaust setup. A full system exhaust, also known as a catback exhaust system, can potentially increase power in a car, but the extent of the power increase depends on various factors. The upgraded exhaust system is super loud. It has got a deeper and more aggressive tone compared to the stock exhaust. What really complements the look of this car are these golden alloys. It has got alloys from Avanti Racing USA for better handling. Lighter alloy wheels can enhance a vehicle's handling performance by reducing inertia and making it easier for the suspension to respond to changes in road surfaces. This can lead to better cornering, quicker acceleration and improved braking performance. But one thing to keep in mind, it's crucial to choose the right size and specification to ensure compatibility with your vehicle's suspension and braking system.
যতক্ষণ অ্যাক্সিলারেটরে পা ততক্ষণ ঠিক আছে, আদারওয়াইজ পুরো সাইলেন্ট। অ্যাক্সিলারেটর পা তাই তো দরকার। হ্যাঁ, যখন সাইলেন্ট থাকতে চাই তখন সাইলেন্ট, আর মোটামুটি আমার 90 অবধি ক্রুজে সাইলেন্ট হয়ে যায়।
The eyes are the windows to the soul, and in the automotive world, the headlamps are our car's eyes. This i20 has got upgraded headlamps too that not only look more aggressive but also enhance visibility and safety. Now let's talk about the magic that has been done under the hood. This Hyundai i20 has got a serious boost with the stage 2 ECU tune from the wizards at Sportz, Kolkata. Brace yourself because the numbers are about to blow your mind. This beast now pumps out approximately 100 horsepower and a whopping 150 Newton meters of torque. The remap from Sportz, Kolkata has transformed this i20 into a true street rocket. The acceleration, the torque, it's like having a whole new car. The gas pedal has become more sensitive, more alive now. You can feel the power with just a feather-light touch. It's like having a direct line of communication with the engine. A subtle tap and you're off like a rocket. This increased sensitivity adds a whole new layer of excitement to the driving experience. I want to be transparent about the driving experience. While there's a phenomenal upgrade in power, handling, and responsiveness, I can't overlook one crucial aspect: the steering feel. Yes, it's true that despite all these performance upgrades, there's a certain intangible quality in the steering, a missing element in the feel and feedback. Don't get me wrong, the handling has improved leaps and bounds. It's agile, it's precise, but there's this elusive connection that's yet to be fully realized. A smooth ride isn't just about power and looks, it's about how seamlessly the car responds to your every command. And I must say, the gear shifting on this i20 is nothing short of buttery smooth. And every time I downshift, the exhaust unleashes this beautiful crackles. It's like the car is speaking to you, celebrating each gear change with a burst of personality. Trust me, it's not just music to my ears, it's a full-blown symphony. It adds a whole new dimension to the driving experience. Coming back to the cosmetic changes, the Mercedes type tail lamps are a stroke of genius, and when paired with the custom skirting, it's a symphony of design that turns heads wherever this car goes. The Mercedes inspired design not only adds a touch of luxury but also enhances the rear profile, giving it a refined and sophisticated look. And the custom skirting that embraces the body, creating a seamless flow that's just beautiful. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an illusion that makes the car look lowered and meaner. This car is still cruising on the stock suspension, while the visual mods and performance upgrades have taken this ride to new heights. There's a subtle reminder of the stock setup when it comes to handling. Yes, you can feel a bit of body roll, especially during spirited driving. The stock suspension, although reliable, does leave room for improvement. So that's pretty much it. From the roaring exhaust to the Mercedes style tail lamps, each modification tells a story of passion, performance and individuality. It's not just about the number or the looks, it's about the experience. The wind in your hair, the smooth gear shifts, the crackles and pops from the exhaust. It's a symphony that resonates with every petrolhead's heart. So whether you're cruising through the city or conquering the open road, remember that every drive is an adventure and every modification is a brushstroke on the canvas of your automotive story. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Revkid signing off. Thanks for watching.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed